In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Microsoft Excel to make your cells cleaner and easier to read. We'll go over a few simple techniques to help you manage long content in your spreadsheets efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make sure all your data is neatly organized and fully visible without any hassle. Let's start with wrapping text automatically. This method is perfect if you want your data, no matter its length, to fit neatly within a single cell and appear on multiple lines. If you're using Excel on Windows or a Mac desktop, it's a seamless process. Begin by navigating to the Home tab, which you'll find prominently positioned on your Excel toolbar. Within the Home tab, locate the Alignment group. This is where you'll find all the tools specifically designed for adjusting how your data appears in its cells. Find and click the Wrap Text option. Instantly, Excel will reformat your selected cells, ensuring that long strings of text are broken into neat, well-organized lines within each cell. For those who love working with keyboard shortcuts, there's a quick way on Windows. You just need to press Alt, followed by the letter H, and then W. This shortcut directly applies the wrap text function, saving you a few clicks and some precious time. Now, sometimes, even after wrapping text, you might notice your text isn't fully visible. This usually happens because the row height hasn't adjusted automatically to accommodate the multiple lines of text. Don't worry, this issue is easy to solve. While still on the Home tab, look for the Format option. Once there, click on it and select Auto Fit Row Height. This action prompts Excel to redefine the row's dimensions, automatically adjusting it so that all wrapped text is clearly visible. In cases where adjustments by AutoFit don't meet your needs, you can manually set the row height. Adjusting it yourself ensures you have full control over how your spreadsheet looks, allowing for maximum readability. Finally, let's tackle inserting a line break manually within a specific cell. This technique is particularly useful when you want to break your data at a specific point rather than relying on Excel's automatic wrapping. Start by double-clicking the cell where you want the break, or simply press F2 on your keyboard. This action will enter edit mode for that specific cell. Place your cursor exactly where you want your new line to start. Then, on your keyboard, press Alt and Enter simultaneously. This will insert a line break right at your chosen spot, giving your data the custom organization you require. And there you have it, a concise yet comprehensive guide to managing text wrapping in Microsoft Excel. By applying these strategies, you'll find that your cells are much tidier and your data clearer, making your overall spreadsheet experience far more efficient. Happy editing!